Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to install ink cartridges in a HP Envy 6022E. Now this is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself. So the first thing we need to do is gain access to the print cartridge cradle within inside the printer. Now you've got the scanner on top, if you're a little bit lower you can see there's some recesses on either side. Get fingers in there and lift. That's a tiny bit of resistance. Lift them up. You see that click? You know that's going to hold. Now as you can see, the ink cartridge cradle has moved along into this position, allowing you to get into where the ink cartridges go, kind of recessed. So, move these back till you hear a click from them slapping back, and you take whatever cartridge you're going to be installing and remove its protective packaging. Now, for this printer, you need either the HP 305 or 305 XL cartridges for the black and colour, or you can even use the higher capacity HP 307 for the black. Here I have one of our own remanufactured HP 305 cartridges, which is one of the high capacity versions you can get. Remove any protective packaging. The HP original probably won't come with that clip, but they should all have some kind of protective strip that covers the bottom where the ink comes out. So remove that, and you'll want to be leaving the electronics strip on the front in place. And we just pop them into the printer. It feels a little bit awkward putting these in. Just kind of put them in flat like that, and the little flap does most of the work for you, guiding it into the exact position. Then we repeat this for the colour. Now it's important to note that with this particular machine you can actually just use a single cartridge, either a black or a colour, in your printing. HP call this single cartridge mode for obvious reasons, and with the black obviously it limits you to only printing in black and white, and for the colour, when it's printing black, it'll make what's called a composite black by combining the cyan, magenta and yellow ink that it uses into a single dark blackish colour. So whilst you can use single cartridge mode, there are disadvantages to both of the possible combinations, so I'd recommend chucking both in there if at all possible. And to get your printer out of single cartridge mode, you just chuck whatever cartridge you're missing in there, and away you go. So now, we just close down the lid of the printer, just apply pressure, there's nothing you need to move that's holding it up, till it slams back down into position, and you should be good to go. And when your printer's finished checking the cartridges, you'll be presented with this alignment page you just saw print. Now, what we do is, without the use of a computer, we're going to open up the scanner bed that we mentioned earlier, and we're going to take the alignment page and slide it into this top corner, where you can see there's like a slightly textured corner piece there. Then we close the lid. And again, you can do this completely without the use of a PC. Then we just press the flashing copy button, as you can see here on the bottom right hand side. And after your printer has double checked it's happy with the cartridges, the X you can see there will disappear, and you're ready to carry on printing. Now I hope you found this useful. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in the comments. A like is always appreciated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.